This is the Tietê River, one of the most polluted rivers in the world, and I decided I'm going to drink this water. For that, I brought a glass jar and a small plastic cup to collect a bit of it that I almost fell in while collecting this. The water at the edge was very still, so it didn't look that dirty. Now I just had to bring my souvenir home that I wrapped it up really well, so I wouldn't risk ruining everything I had in case it leaked. First of all, let's take a look at some of the bacteria present. I'll take a little bit of the water and plate it on a non-selective culture medium. That means any kind of microorganism can grow. Then we'll put it in an incubator at 35 degrees for just 1 day. And the results surprised me. I expected a wide variety of microorganisms, but it seems there is one very resistant type present. Now let's treat this water, starting with moringa seeds. Moringa is a tree, and you've probably seen this seed at least once in your life. Inside it, there's a white kernel rich in a cationic protein. This is used as a natural coagulant because this cationic protein captures the negative charges dispersed in the water and forms larger flocks, which settle out more easily. However, using too much moringa can leave the water cloudy, but the cloudiness is from protein, not from river dirt. Fixing that is very simple. First, we'll remove the solid poop particles from the river with filtration, and then we'll be left with water still contaminated, dirty with protein. To solve two problems at once, we'll heat the water until it boils. That denatures the protein and makes it precipitate more easily, and it disinfects the water through boiling. Now it's just filtering. Look at the difference this step made to the final water quality. As soon as it cools, take some to check if there are still large amounts of microorganisms. And after 2 days in the incubator, fortunately nothing developed, which indicates the bacterial load is extremely reduced. The few microorganisms present likely came from the environment during handling. There are endospores, but that's a topic for another video. Now let's make activated charcoal from coconut shells and remove the sewage taste and smell from that water. I need to make one thing clear to you. Obviously, I'm not going to drink Tietê River water every day, because if it were truly necessary, I'd also have to worry about heavy metals. Since the river is a repository of industrial waste, that's the main source of that